backpacking, love to travel. Clean and good services, good service. Mas hari sangat membantu sangat rekomendasi bagi yang ingin holiday di Malang untuk menginap di sini. Exceptional super duper nyaman staycation di sini, apalagi naik kereta turun sudah langsung hotelnya nyaman, mau nongkrong juga jika bingung tinggal ke lantai 9 dan apa tahu tinggal ke lantai bawah ada pini cafe recommended BGT, ok bangi ok BNGT. Exceptional recommended. Exceptional good location, good food, very big space room. Exceptional good job. Exceptional good job. Exceptional good job. Exceptional good job. Exceptional good. Terbaik pilihan and good, kebersihan good, kumakalam rinangnya tolong dibersihan lagi. Exceptional good for honeymoon. Short vacation with family. It's a very long time since this pandemic start. I just want to make my family happy. We decided to stay in here. The room is clean. The staff are good and friendly. The food is so tasty too. And you can see the old train station Malang Kota Lama from this hotel. This hotel is now one of my favorite hotel in Malang.